The Weldpro 200A AC DC TIG welder is a versatile welding machine that supports both alternating current and direct current TIG and stick welding, making it suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. Equipped with an advanced IGBT inverter, this welder ensures efficient energy use and includes built-in protections against overheating and overcurrent issues. Weighing only 31 pounds, the Weldpro 200A is designed to be lightweight and portable, allowing for easy transportation and maneuverability. Its dual voltage capability with automatic sensing technology enables it to operate seamlessly on both 120-volt and 240-volt power sources. With a duty cycle of 40% at 200 amperes, it offers reliable performance for extended welding tasks without frequent interruptions. The fully digital menu and high-frequency start with multiple sequence options provide users with precise control and customization for their welding projects.